Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make my business logo packaging. First I'll print my logo on these cardboard boxes. I'll be using black ink and I'll be using my logo, which I have glued on this clear pad, and wet wipe. Before I print my logo on these cardboard boxes, I will try on these two samples. I'm opening lid on this ink pad, here it is, and I'm tapping my logo in this ink, so all my logo is covered with black ink, and I'm printing my logo on this sample, and here it is. I will make another sample same way, and here's my second sample, looks like that. Next I'll print my logo on a cardboard box top lid there in the center. I'm opening up this cardboard box, making sure this area is nice and flat. I'm tapping my logo in this ink, making sure my logo is fully covered with black ink, cleaning my hands just in case if there's any black paint, and I'm printing my logo in the center there, and this is how it looks. My first cardboard box is prepared. I will repeat same process on all other cardboard boxes. I'm tapping my logo on the ink pad and printing it on the top lid of the cardboard box. So this is the second box ready, and this is the third box. Looks like that. And the fourth box. This is a bit bigger. I will leave all these boxes to dry so the logo dries fully. Also, some of the prints do not print properly and it looks like that. So I use these printed cards and a sellotape. I apply sellotape at the back of the card, like that. And I glue this card on the top of the ruined print, there in the middle, so I can still use this cardboard box. And here are my finished dried logo boxes, and they look like that. I usually decorate my boxes with a black ribbon so they look nice and classy. I will link all my boxes in a description box. Next I'll show you how I print my logo on these shopping bags. So here's my plain matte paper bag and I'll print my logo there. I'm tapping my logo in a black ink, making sure my logo is fully covered with black ink, and I'm printing my logo there on the top center, and it looks like that. Next I'll print my logo on these high-end glossy paper shopping bags. Here's my plain glossy shopping bag. As you can see, it's a bit glossy and shiny, and I will be using dry and wet wipe, and I'm tapping my logo in this black ink, cleaning my hands, and I'm printing my logo in the center there. As you can see, it didn't print well, so I'm using a wet wipe and I'm quickly wiping my logo off before it dries. I can do this on this glossy paper, I wouldn't be able to do this on a matte paper. Next I'm drying the area dry, and I will try again. This time I'm pressing my logo a little bit harder, and this is how it looks. My first print on this glossy shopping bag looks like that. I will repeat same process on other shopping bags. This is how I print my business logo on all of the packaging. If you have any questions how to print business logo, please comment down below in a comment box. I will link all of the materials which I use in a description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.